Hello and welcome back. So I hope you love to play with the CODEIGNITER. What more I need to do, I'm just going to the browser. You can see that we just created the simple login panel. So basically I'm just going to the Sublime back, and actually right now we just need to create the login view. So first of all I'm just going, actually the login view is the page which is in the views page, in the views folder. We need to go to the controllers. Here is the controller. So we just created the login controller already. I'm just opening this one, and this is not an important thing, so save this, and I'm just going inside this one. Basically first of all I'm just going there to the login view, which is there. So right now what I'm just doing here, instead of the login view, I just need to put the login controller, then I just need to add the slash if I'm not putting the index. Okay, so I just need to put the slash there. By the way, I'm not putting the slash right now, I'm just saving this one, and there right now what I'm just doing here, basically I just can't mention the index there. We have to create another function, because in the index we are just simply loading the view. So press enter and put the public, another function. I'm just creating the function. Now what the name I'm just putting there, the process or anything you can put there. So now what more we need, going inside, and actually I'm just typing here the echo, and inside the echo I'm just typing, the form is working. That's super fine. Go back to the notepad. The browser back, but go back to the Sublime back again. And I'm just going to the login view, and there, you know that we just can't load the login controller directly, so I'm just adding a slash and just name out the function. You know that the login controller, login con is not a folder. This is this class basically. So inside this class I just want to put this, I just want to run this process. So let's just type just after the login con process. Save this one, go back to there. Yes, spelling should be in the matching. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing this one, and what I'm just doing more, you know that they has some kind of value, but I just don't need any kind of value there. I'm removing the text and just clicking on the Sublime, and nothing happening. So first I just need to go to the view source and refresh this one. So what is the problem? I got that. In the input type I just put the button as the type, so I just need to go to Sublime back, and there you can see that the button, and in the value I just put the submit, but there it should be the submit to. So save this one, and I'm just going to the browser back and refreshing this one, and this one's too. Now the type is submit, so just remove all the values from there and there too, and just simply press the submit button. It's loading, and now the form is working. That means exactly at least the input button was working greatly. So what more I need? I just need to go to the login controller or the login view, or yes, we just need to receive the data from this page inside the login controller. So I'm just removing this vow or etc. I'm just simply echoing the things. By the way, do you remember that how we send the data through the PHP, or actually how we receive the data from the PHP, the regular PHP way? We have to receive the data using the get way, or you know that the post way, but this is the general PHP way. I'm not gonna do this one because I'm inside the PHP in the CODEIGNITER, not the simple PHP. However, the CODEIGNITER is a part of the PHP, but exactly this is the framework which has a lot of features. So first I just typed this and the sign, and then post another sign, and then not the post, actually the input first and then the post. Okay, now just mention what you've sent from there, from the login view. I've just sent the, you know what I just sent? I just sent, what is the name? Get form. So say copy this one and paste there. Oh, in this way, the get form, which is the name of this one. Well, you know that we just didn't describe the method here, so I'm just typing the get first. So save that and go back to the browser. Okay, now I'm just refreshing this page and actually removing the admin, and I'm just simply typing, for example, I'm just typing the Joe Perez. So remove the password or put anything and click on submit. Now I'm not getting anything, so go back to there. Well, I'm just doing multiple mistakes. First of all, I just typed the get form here. If I just go to the login view, now you can see that the name of the, actually you can see that the name of the button is the get form, but there in the login controller we just want the input of the text input. So the name of the text is the user. So first of all, that should be the user. So the user, and save and go back to the login view. And the other thing, I'm just gonna mention the method to method. And first of all, where I'm just mentioning this thing, I'm just mentioning this inside the attributes variable, which is the variable of the form, the main form tag. So I'm just going in a perfect way. I'm just typing get here and saving and going to the browser back and refreshing this one. Now if I just type here the Joe Perez, okay, now click on the submit, and there I'm just gonna receive the Joe Perez, and now you can see that there too the Joe Perez is going through the gateway. I'm just going back and going to the notepad, the Sublime back, and there I'm just typing post and saving and going to the login controller, and there I'm just typing not the get, the post right now. Save and go back and refresh that one. So now I'm just typing Joe, only Joe for now, just clicking on submit, and I'm receiving the Joe without any kind of text there in the URL. That means everything is working in a perfect way. If I just check this page, source code, so press Ctrl plus U. Now you can see the Joe, only Joe in this page, because I'm just sending the Joe only to this page, the process one. By the way, you know that the process is a function, but we are not running any kind of thing in this way, in this page, in the login controller's process. So this is a simple way to pass any kind of variable through the form or any value through the form, and you know that how you can receive the complete value using the form. But in the next class I'm just going to teach you some more things. Stay tuned.